Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to factor a polynomial by GCF, okay? And we're also going to combine a couple methods because we're going to use our factoring of trinomials to help us do this, okay? So, what we're going to do to GCF factor is we take out the common factor, okay? So what I mean by that is I could rewrite 4x to the third as 2 times 2 x plus 2 times 9 xx, that's for 18x squared, and plus 2 times 10x for 20x. I rewrite it that way because I can show you guys that in fact they do have some factors in common. They have a 2, okay? And they also have an x in common. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write an 2x outside of parentheses. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave what's left over inside the parentheses. So 2xx, which is x squared, plus 9x plus 10. Okay? And at that point we have GCF factor, greatest common factor factored. Okay? Now what we're going to do, we're going to combine a couple methods. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I can actually factor this part right here. This is one of our trinomials that we know how to factor. So let's go back through those steps. Again, I have 10 times 2 is 20. We ask ourselves, what two numbers multiply to get 20 and add to get 9? Okay? If I think real hard, well, 4 times 5 equals 20. And 4 plus 5 equals 9. Okay? So what that tells me to do is I can partition or divide up this 9 into, let me do this. Let me go 4x plus 5x. I bring down this 10. I bring down this 2x squared. I'm going to put this in parentheses, you guys. And here's the important part with GCF factoring or any combination of factoring that you're going to do. You need to go ahead and bring down what you've already factored out. So I need to bring down this 2x. Alright? Now, you remember from last 9 weeks, from quadratics, we would just group these and factor. So I know within this group we have 2x in common. What's left over is x plus 2. In this group I have 5 is a common factor. X plus 2 is also left over. Again, every step of the way I make sure I bring my greatest common factor, 2x, down with me. And as you guys can tell with these two terms, we have x plus 2 in common. Okay? So I'm going to write x plus 2. Okay? I'll bring down my 2x as well. And what's left over here? Well, 2x plus 5. And that, you guys, is our answer. That's completely factored, okay? So at this point, you should have a pretty good idea how to GCF factor. And also, you should start seeing how you can combine other factoring methods together to get a completely factored form, okay? So that's the full breadth of the problem there.